Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to add the clock widget to the iPhone home screen. So if I end up this, if you find this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing to do is go ahead and press and hold the home screen. Now once you have everything with clean, click on the edit button at the top left. Go ahead and click on add widget. Then locate and click on the clock widget. If the clock widget is not visible, just come here and search for clock. Then click on it. Now you should see all available clock widgets you have on your iPhone that you can add as a widget to the home screen. So select the widget you want to add and then click on add widget. Then you should see the widget added like this. Now you can now drag the widget to rearrange it. Once you're done, you can either click outside or click on the done button at the top right. And that is it. So that is exactly how to add a clock widget to the home screen on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.